Moving to Texas can be a big decision. So in this video, I'm going to share with you why many people are still choosing to move to Texas. What I hear from family after family after family is that the quality of life in Texas seems to be better than other places. Now, I haven't lived other places other than Minnesota, and I moved here when I was 4, but the reason my parents chose to move to Texas was for the quality of life as well. And I can say that that choice for them paid off big. That's why I say, like, on a website, change your family tree, because my parents' decision to move to Texas literally changed the history of our family tree. And I'm super grateful for it. My kids are grateful for it, and we love living in Texas. But here are some reasons that you may want to move to Texas. First up is the economic opportunities. Year after year, Texas shows up as a powerhouse in sectors such as technology, energy, and healthcare. Cities like Austin, Dallas, Houston, and San Antonio, they are hubs for job growth, and we can't forget Fort Worth as well. So they attract both established corporations as well as startups. And one of the things that people love about living in Texas is that there is no state income tax. That is a huge benefit if you are making a higher salary, where if you purchase a home, yes, the property taxes are high, but you are not paying state income tax. And for many families, that means the taxes are lower, which makes Texas a very attractive place for both professionals and entrepreneurs as well. Which leads me to the second reason, is that it's a pro-business environment. Texas's pro-business stance, highlighted by low regulations and incentives for businesses, makes it an ideal location for startups and established companies. This environment fosters innovation, economic growth, and job creation, contributing to the state's overall prosperity. The third reason you may want to move to Texas is the affordable cost of living. Now, in the last recent years, housing and cost of goods have gone up just like everywhere in the US, but we are still low on the totem pole when it comes to the overall cost of living. Groceries, utilities, housing, transportation, it all tends to be lower, allowing for a comfortable lifestyle without breaking the bank. The reason why you would want to move to Texas is it is a diverse state. Texas is a melting pot for diverse cultures. And so we're talking food, music, festivals, from the Tex-Mex cuisine to the vibrant music scenes of Austin or Dallas. I'm telling you, there's no shortage of cultural experiences. Texas has numerous museums, historical sites, and annual events that pay homage to Texas's unique heritage and diverse communities. Texas is the second in diversity of all the states, only second to California. Up next, why you should move to Texas? The warm climate. I told you earlier in the video that my family moved here from Minnesota, and let me just say why. Their number one reason was for a warmer climate. They did not like the winters of Minnesota. And so, by all means, I know it can get really hot here, smoking hot, but I do love the warm climate. I like the mild winters. I like the random occasional snow that we do get excited about. And I do not like the ice storms if we have one, but that's why we stay home. But I do love the Texas climate. Up next are the friendly communities. Texas is known to be a friendly state. You may find yourself chatting at the grocery store. You may be talking to your neighbors outside. It is a very friendly, welcoming state. And while I know that there's going to be Looney Tunes everywhere you go, overall, Texas is pretty great. Texas has numerous high-ranking public schools as well as universities, and so education in Texas is another reason why you may want to move to Texas. We have the University of Texas, Texas A&M, Rice University, and excellent higher education opportunities. The public schools here are great. We have great private schools as well as a wonderful homeschool community, depending on what your family is looking for. By the way, my name is Dana Pollard, and I'm a real estate agent in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and I've traveled all over Texas searching for the best places to live in Texas. So if you need help narrowing down where to live, or you are looking for a real estate agent in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, feel free to fill out the Dream Home questionnaire in the link below. Call, text, or email me. See you in the next video.